Back. This is a video about the 7-chip Enterprise set now. It comes from AMT. It has all the Enterprises, including Archers. But what I did is I went to various hobby shops and I went online and I ordered extra decals. So this side is the decals that come with the ship. I'll show you those. The instruction guide for each ship. These are the decals that come with the ship, the ones that are separated by yellow paper. And that's why they're on this side of the box, so nothing goes wrong. And I separate aftermarket parts from old parts. Okay, so does this look familiar? This is almost from the 3-ship Enterprise set, almost. So you can build it as the refit. It has the Aqua. Oh, turn the numbers this way. Saucer. Already has the registry number integrated in the right spot. Again, Enterprise B nacelles with the registry number integrated. And the Aztec panels for the Archer Enterprise. So that's good. And then the second sheet, you see all the Aqua for the Enterprise B. So that's perfect. Then you get into some Aztec decals for the Enterprise D. See, I had Aztec decals for the big one, but never the small one, and the escape pods are already integrated. So that's good for that. This one is for the Enterprise C. At first I thought, well, I'm not going to use those decals, because when I tried them on the small Enterprise C, the one from 2018, they flaked. But then I realized I have Tester's decal bonder, which will work perfectly. Here it is. This Tester's decal bonder spray. I've already used it on decals, and the ones that have previously flaked, now they don't flake anymore, so that'll be good for the Enterprise C. And then another page just for the Enterprise D. As you can see, registry number and everything. And then the final page of decals that came with the kit is for the Enterprise E alone, complete with its subtle Aztecing. Okay, so that's the decals that came with the kit. And the next video I'll show you all the aftermarket decals I ordered for that model kit. And I'm back again. So now I'm going to show you all the aftermarket decals I ordered for the 7-chip Enterprise set. So you have TOS versions, you know, different shuttle bays, different nacelle trench decals, things like that. And then you have, for the refit Enterprise, deflector dish decal, saucer, with the full instructions, yeah. Then this is actually from the 1988 3-ship Enterprise set. You know, the one I have the stand for? And if you look close, you can see the exact plaques that I have. And then here you go, with subtle Aztecing for the Enterprise C. There's subtle Aztecing throughout all these decals, unlike the ones with the kit that are just plain shades of green. And the escape pods are brighter. And then this is for the Enterprise D. Now, the reason there's little bits left over, when I did my Enterprise D from 94, I just put the extra decals in there. Now I know why that drawer is empty. So you got those. And you got its escape pods. Then you got its phaser strips. So that's good. Everything outfitted for the Enterprise D. Here's the 2500 scale Sovereign class. Extras. Always have extras, never know. And then once again, escape pod decals for the Enterprise E. The escape pods are the right size. Don't know if the registry number is a bit too big though. Look how big that registry number is. But look at how much smaller that registry number is. So that's almost for 1400 scale. Yet it has escape pods that are sized for 2500. I don't know. And then, A Creation Models, Enterprise B / Lakota with instruction guide Now, I'm not sure what the red... Now, it does say, do not coat these decals with lacquer or enamel clear paints. But it does say Tesser's Decal Bonder, so I will, of course, use that. So, you have green ones for the round 2 saucer bottom. I guess it's if it's reissued. But you use the red numbers for this. So, you have 90... which appears to, you have the inner ones, but mine inner ones are not numbered. Then you have the outer ring, 118, etc., but my rings are a lot bigger, so I guess I just have the red numbers. Surprised they're not actually numbered. But these are 13, 14, 16, all the way around. And they have that aqua trim, so it'll work quite well. Plus, you have all the decals that came with the kit. So for the 2500 scale ships, except for the NX01 Enterprise, I have at least 2 full sets of decals in case something goes wrong. But I guess that's enough unboxing videos for now. Made so many videos today, but I'll talk to you later when I build something. Like the continue building or decaling the 3-ship Enterprise set.